Hey, what's up guys, Grub here. Today I'll be doing a Nerf gun review for the Nerf Retaliator, so I won't waste any time, I'll get straight into it. So right here we have the muzzle. I'm not really clever about this. Just able to take on and off. Then we have this standard, like basically the bit that everything can attach to. And yeah, it's controlled by this slide mechanism here. So yeah, it's pretty cool. We got that bit done. Controlled by that slide mechanism there. So it has a basically has a magazine holder. I want to remove the air restrictors, so to go further I also remove the trigger lock, so if any of you know how to do that, please link me a video on how to do it. And it also comes with just a little bullet holder, so I believe I've got a bullet stuck in a couple of times, but it can be vital if you're in an Nerf war. You fire all your rounds off and you just have this one left in here, so you could just fire it. You just fire it and probably hit them. The reason of this, as you'll find out when I fire it soon, is because sometimes the bullets go short, so I want to make the range better, so that's enough on this bit. Now onto the stock. Really nothing good about this. Nowhere to put any magazines or anything, so I feel really uncomfortable when I'm in Nerf war. So yeah, definitely about that. Now onto the magazine. Basically this is a 12 dart magazine. Nice fan grip on the bottom, so you can see there. And very nice spring. Push the bullets down into and load them up. So yeah, and the darts, I believe you can fire in this. I'm not too sure, but I definitely know it's these blue streamline darts if you like the yellow ones. Standard blue ones, and the next Nerf gun I'll probably do a review on is probably the Nerf Mega. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this Nerf gun review, and what night I'll be firing. I hope you guys enjoyed this fast part of the review. So I'll be firing it when you see me in a minute. I'm back guys, when I finished loading the barrel. So I'm just going to load this into my gun one-handedly. And you guys can watch me struggle anyway. So yeah, that bit removed. This is just to check for jams. It's a very cool design here. So let's just get this fully loaded. Good magazine in here. Okay. Fully loaded magazine in there now. Sorry about that. Sorry about this. Struggling to. Okay, now it's loaded. We're gonna go fire it with the other parts. So I'll see you on the fire. So I'll be firing it all the way from back here. And this is always about 10 feet. So let's fire. And the bullet didn't even come out. So wait a minute while I check this a minute. Okay, sorry about that. So the magazine ain't in there anymore. I just got a bullet loaded in there. Fire it and we'll see where it collides with the wall. That was right up top, that was a great shot. That hit about there, somewhere. Roughly would have been around the tummy. So yeah, the bullet landed here. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one.